Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing fantastic. It's your girl Msfili. Today I want to do a what's in my bag video featuring my beautiful bag that I love so much, the Fendi Fendography bag right there. Isn't it gorgeous? I love it so much. Anywho, this bag is gorgeous, it's beautiful, it's high quality, it is amazeballs, and I'm glad that I have it because I feel like a bougie motherfucking bitch. But yeah, so it has the hardware all on the bottom there. Everything is marked. It's just a beautiful bag. It's a HOBO style. You can attach a crossbody strap if you want, right on the sides there. Easy peasy jeezy. But let's go into the bag and see what we have. So you open it like that. It's a HOBO style. Well, there we go. We have some stuff in here. So the first thing that we're going to remove is Value Village receipts. Yay! More Value Village receipts. Yay! We have my Fendi 6 keyring holder. Fendi 6 keyring holder. Love this. Love its orange. It kind of matches, but not really, but kind of, but maybe. There we go. And then we have, oh, have to have this Sweet Strawberry Scoop. Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer. I don't like the hand sanitizer that you squeeze. I like the kind that you spray because it just covers more of a circumference of the area. And it's just, I don't know. I feel like it just gets more coverage when you're spraying sanitizer. Sanitizer, sanitizer. Oh, are you sanitizer? Oh, sanitizer. Oh, sanitizer, baby. Ooh, 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 yeah. I have a lighter because you never know when you have to burn a motherfucking bitch at the thrift store, okay? Come for my bags, I will burn your ass. Lighter. Bunch of Value Village coupons. I'm out of 20%, guys. I'm out of 20% coupons. And I don't have that many donations left. Anyway, Fendi. Oh, I guess this all goes well together. We're doing a Fendi kind of day today. It's a Fendi kind of day. Fendi kind of day. Oh, hello. Fendi. Sorry, that was for the thumbnail. Okay, so this is my Fendi clay. I love her. She is gorgeous. She is long. She is brown. She can fit so much. Well, no, we'll call him a he. We like brown he's. Brown, big he's. Actually, no, my clays are non-binary, just saying. And it fits a lot. So I have cash in here, cards, and coins. So I like that. Oh wait, there's this thing that's supposed to hang out. Like some big brown balls. Big brown balls. There we go. And you can attach it to whatever you want. So we got that. What else do we have, guys? What else do we have? Okay. AirPod Pros 1st gen. I bought these when like 2 years ago. So my AirPod Pros. We have L'Occitane hand cream, and we're almost out. We have Biotherm Belevres, so that our lips are all moisturized and ready to suck some. Not that much shit left. We have a lotto ticket that I won $2 on. A pen, because we always be writing shit down. We have a keto chocolate bar. Ah! Okay, that's somewhere down there. Somewhere down there, he's gonna eat me out. And then it will feel good. I will come hard. Come where dreams come true. Okay, so we have an anatimer, what is this called? Anatizer, atomizer, one of those. I don't know what the fuck this is called, guys, but that's what this is. Dior is in here. Miss Dior perfume is in here. These are easy peasy. I got this from Shoppers Drug Mart. You just put it on top of the perfume and go pump, 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 and it fills up. The only thing is it doesn't, and maybe it fits like 20 sprays, but whatever. Next, we have not that many things left. My Honda remote control, which is busted. It doesn't even work on this car. And we have a Ricola, because we always need to soothe our throat. Our throat always needs to be lubricated and smooth, okay? Because our throat has jobs to do. I think that's it. Oh, one more thing. I have a story about this, guys. This little rock I found when I really was heavy into rock hunting back when the pandemic happened, circa like spring 2020. And my best friend and I used to always go rock hunting. So people in my city will kind of like paint or finish or whatever rocks, and they'll hide it at parks and places, and you'll find them and then you'll keep them or you'll rehide them. But I always kept this one because it's meaningful to me, faith. And I think around that time when I found this rock, I was going through something and I was like, yeah, faith. You gotta have faith, the faith, the faith. Oh, you gotta have faith, the faith, the faith. And I feel like faith is just one of those things. It's almost kind of like hope, where you believe in something and it'll happen. And it's very manifestation. It's very positive. It's very hopeful. And that's why I've always kept this rock, because someone took the time to carve it into this polished stone and it found its way to me. And it's actually like really carved well. So faith. And I keep it with me because I have faith in a lot of things. I have faith that I'm going to, you know, find someone. I have faith that I'm going to be a success. I have faith in my friendships, faith in... You stepped on the ketchup package.
Did I?
But anyway, yeah, we got faith. So we have that. Anyway, that's it. That's all that's inside of my bag. If you want to see more. What I love about this bag, it's really detailed. You have the FF at the end right there. And then the underneath of the zipper is also marked FF, I believe.
Oh, that's cool.
And, oh, you're here. Just kidding. And then you have the label right there. And so this is an amazing bag, guys. It's the Fendography. I think it retails for like $3,000 or something like that. It's not that expensive. So if you guys want to go buy one, you can go buy one. $3,000 is like literally nothing. So if you can't go out and buy it, then there's something wrong with you.
Did I hear that correctly? Can you repeat yourself, Ashley?
I said this bag is affordable at $3,000, Daniel. USD, so it's super cheap. Affordable. So anyway, we got that bag, and I hope you enjoy this video about what's in my bag. Faith. Gotta have faith, the faith, the faith.
Do you rub it? Is that how you get it? Or do you just keep it with you?
No, I rub it.
So a rubbing stone?
Yeah, it is, yeah, because it's smooth. So
I used
you
to
rub
have
it?
a bunch that were like hope, faith, all these different ones.
Aww.
Those are what those are. Yeah.
Do you know who sang that song?
Faith?
Gotta have faith, the faith, the faith. Ew, no, stop. Stop it.
Can I show off what I got quickly?
No, this is a what's in my handbag video.
I don't care. Just kidding.
No, George Michael. Tell me you know George Michael.
Who's that?
Oh my god. You don't know George Michael?
Is that the...
I want your sex.
Is that the Star Wars guy? George?
No, that's George Lucas, and he directed. What else did he sing? Guys, Father Figure. He sang freedom, freedom.
I was born in 98. How do you expect me to know this stuff?
That's true.
I'm a young kid.
My god.
Well, I like to consider myself young.
Sometimes I'll say things like popular sentences from the 90s, and I'll be like, boo earns. Do you know what that means?
Simpsons?
Yes. You see, he knows it. Simpsons. And because like in one of the episodes, Mr. Burns gets booed, and then Smithers is like, they're not booing you, they're saying boo earns.
Smithers, are they booing me?
No, they're saying boo earns. Boo earns.
Are you saying boo or boo earns? I was saying boo earns.
So whenever you do, and it was very popular in the 90s, when you don't like something, you'd be like, boo earns. But now nobody knows that. So
I took a random guess there, but it sounded like...
Okay, so you didn't know.
Isn't Burns the character?
Yeah, Mr. Burns.
He's the guy with like no hair, with the sideburns.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I realized... I keep forgetting that you watch Simpsons. You don't seem like somebody that strikes me that you like the Simpsons.
Anyway, guys, that's it for the what's in my bag video. I hope you enjoyed it. All my links to my socials and that bag will be in the description below. And don't forget to remain positive, protective, and progressive. Keep manifesting those motherfucking dreams because they will come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye.